said we were going to be in the kitchen, but actually we've taken the kitchen outside because it is a beautiful spring, almost summer evening. Plus, you just wanted an excuse to show off this.
My new
potting table
that I'll use for serving too.
I love it. So we are making a salad dressing to go on top of this gorgeous salad, fresh from Dad's garden, minus a few things like the cucumbers. And this is a recipe we've made, I mean,
for
years. It's wonderful, and it is a simple poppy seed vinaigrette. So, Mom, what do you need? It looks like you only need about 7 different ingredients.
You do, exactly 7. A mason jar.
Love it. We all have a mason jar.
1 cup. I did canola oil.
Okay.
You could probably use
a vegetable oil. I wouldn't use olive oil for this one. It would be a little heavy.
Yeah, exactly. So we'll actually just mix it. I'm going to actually shut this.
So we're going to make it all in the mason jar.
Mason jar.
Easy. One messy bowl.
So let's take that.
Okay.
And put in your 3rd cup of red wine vinegar.
Okay, we're going to do it right over this because
you got it.
Sloppy.
Good.
Okay.
Stick it right here. Awesome. Then you're going to do a 1/2 cup of sugar.
Oh, wonderful. Now, I don't even feel you would need the whisk. I feel like if it's in this, we could just shake it.
You probably don't, but if you did it in a big bowl, you could whisk it.
Now, what was that?
That was a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika.
Okay.
1 teaspoon of salt. I actually did a tad less, but you could do the full teaspoon if you want. 1 teaspoon of dry mustard.
And then to, of course, make it poppy seed dressing,
a whole tablespoon of poppy seeds. Stick your jar on, and if you only have the metal lids, you can use that too. Shake. Give it
That's
to your,
working really well.
Give it to your kids.
Yeah. That's it, guys. That is it.
And
good
look at
arm
the
workout.
color. The
I'm
red wine vinegar and the paprika give it that pretty kind of a rosy
color.
pinky color.
And it will separate in the fridge, which is fine. So just shake it up.
Yes. In between using it, shake it up.
I love it.
It's a light.
It is.
It's not a heavy dressing.
I put this over berries, like if you have berries on the salad.
Absolutely.
Oh,
can add deviled eggs,
wonderful.
chicken, mandarin oranges, whatever.
Perfect. Well, this recipe is on the blog at From the Family. We're going to put the link right in the description below. And it's a favorite of our family, and I hope it becomes a favorite in yours.
Great.